Welcome to the vast, mysterious world of Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. It's a planet so large that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But what if you, a mere human, fell into this colossal gas giant? Join us on this journey as we explore what would happen if you plunged into Jupiter. You're watching Imagine If, where we dive into the depths of science and explore the wonders of the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. First, let's talk about Jupiter's atmosphere. Unlike Earth, which has a relatively thin and stable atmosphere, Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic mix of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor. As you fall into Jupiter, you'd first encounter the upper atmosphere, also known as the exosphere. Here, the temperature is extreme, around -145 degrees Celsius. You'd need a high-tech spacesuit just to survive the initial entry. As you descend, the atmospheric pressure starts to rise. In the stratosphere, you'd experience powerful winds and intense turbulence. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth itself, would toss you around like a ragdoll. Lightning storms 1,000 times more powerful than those on Earth would flash around you. The deeper you go, the darker it gets, and the temperature starts to rise rapidly. At this point, you'd be in the troposphere, where the pressure becomes unbearable. At 1,000 kilometers below the cloud tops, the pressure is around 100 times greater than Earth's surface pressure. Without a highly advanced spacecraft, you'd be crushed by the immense force. Even with protection, the temperature here reaches around 1,000 degrees Celsius. Your pod would begin to melt and disintegrate. If somehow you managed to survive the crushing pressure and searing heat, you'd eventually reach a layer of liquid hydrogen. Here, the hydrogen gas is compressed so much that it becomes a liquid. This ocean of liquid hydrogen spans thousands of kilometers. But this isn't the end. Deeper still lies metallic hydrogen, a state of hydrogen that conducts electricity like a metal. This layer generates Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. At the very center of Jupiter, if you could somehow reach it, lies the core. Scientists believe it's composed of rock and metal, with temperatures reaching an astonishing 24,000 degrees Celsius and pressures millions of times higher than Earth's surface. By this point, you'd have been vaporized long before reaching the core. The environment is far beyond anything we can currently withstand. So, what if you fell into? The journey would be short-lived and incredibly violent, marked by crushing pressures, scorching temperatures, and chaotic storms. While it's a fascinating thought experiment, it reminds us of the extreme and inhospitable nature of our universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Jupiter. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.